came in the mail today. I got this really big box. This is from Just Went. I'm sorry I can't remember your first name. I think I know what this is. Look at the bubble wrap. Ooh, I'll save that. Oh my goodness. More bubble wrap. I'll come back after I get all this bubble wrap out of here. There was bubble wrap stuck down here. More bubble wrap. Look at all this bubble wrap. I'm keeping that. Good packing material. Oh, something here. Oh, yeah, I remember now what this is. I gotta use both hands. I'll be right back. I got another package from Southern Prairie. Thank you, sweetie. I appreciate that so much. Oh, wow. 2 pounds. That's gonna take me a while. They really wrapped it good. Oh, wow. I'm gonna find, oh, here it is. Oh, I'm gonna have to get me some scissors. I'll just use my 50-year-old paring knife. Oh, I can't do this because of course I ain't got the tripod with me because I didn't know. Well, I'll be right back. Okay, got the one-piece free. I know she made me something. I had the cardboard box hold my paring knife for me. Oh, it's taped up over there too. Oh. Oh. Oh, can you see what it is? Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh, and this is wrapped with more bubble wrap. I guess I'll be back in a second here. Look at that. Look at, oh. And she knows I love cardinals. Oh. Thank you. And it's wrapped. She had it custom framed. Isn't that pretty? Wow. And there's more things in there. Look at all this bubble wrap. Wow. Thank you, sweetheart. And it's wrapped in plastic too. Wow. Here's another one. I gotta get this off. Hopefully I can just peel it and I don't have to cut it. Look at that mountain of bubble wrap. Wow. You guys really had this protected good. I know she told me she was having frames made for him. You didn't have to do this. I can't do it with one hand. Can you see what it's going to be? Oh. Promise I wasn't going to lose it. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Put it next to the other one. I might just leave this saran wrap on it to keep it from getting all dusty. Look at the mount, it's taking up a whole love seat. Holy moly. Wow. And there's still something else here yet. I think it's another one. And more bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. It must have cost you guys a fortune just to ship this. And then you had the frames made special. Huh. Oh my goodness. You shouldn't have did this. I can't pay you back for this kind of stuff. You guys are too good to me. I don't deserve this. Oh, wow. I need my hands again. Look at that. This one didn't have the other bubble wrap. And it's even, they got glass in them and everything. She had these frames made. That must have cost a fortune. I know your husband's name, I believe, was Antonio. Man, I don't deserve this. Right in the middle of when I'm doing my project. Or trying to. Oh, I gotta move my thing here just a second. There they are, guys, all lined up there. Thank you so much. Just went. I can't remember your name. I'm sorry. I appreciate this so much. You didn't have to do this. Man, look at that box. That must have cost you a fortune to ship that big monster. And all that bubble wrap. And then those frames. I really don't deserve this. Thank you so much, though. I will treasure this. I want you to tell me your name. I'm going to write it on the back of it. And the day I got them. This is awesome. It's the diamond painting, guys. You know how much time went into that? I know it takes a lot of time because my mom makes those. See, I'll show you. See, my mom made that one. Made it for my wife. I got some others in my room too. Thank you, guys. I love you so much. Mind blown. Oh. Thanks so much. I've truly never had friends like this before. Just send me things like this. You guys in my YouTube family are so special to me. Oh, I said I wasn't going to lose it. Thank you so much. Well, there it is. Without the big box in the way. Isn't it pretty like that? I don't know if I can fit them up in there. Or where exactly, what wall I'll put them on. It's going to be a special spot. This, my mom made me that pillow for Christmas. A year or two ago, she made that for my wife for Christmas. Never mind the poles. Oh. Thank you so much, Southern Prairie. And I know your name too, but I can't think of it right now. I haven't even went through what you sent me before. I just started that one today. It's like, I can't thank you enough, hon. Especially with all the stuff you're going through yourself. You think of me. And she's done this consistently, people. Thank you so much, my friend. It's not only Southern Prairie. Eileen sent me some moringa too and some vitamins. And somebody else sent me vitamins too. I have no idea who it was. But I thank you. the magnesium. And Southern Prairie, she sent me name, and I can't remember everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Looks like she even put Velcro things on the back so I can stick them to the wall instead of putting nails in my wall. I don't know if I can get them up there, or if I put them up over there, or if I switch some pictures around up there and put them up there, or over here somewhere. I'm not sure. Or over there on my deer wall. What do you think? You guys tell me. Or, I don't know if they'll fit. I could line them up on the back of the cupboard there. I don't know. Because my beam up there isn't wide enough. I wouldn't trust them being up there. I'd be afraid they'd fall. And around the TV there, I don't know. But there might be enough room over there. I don't know. You guys tell me. Hetzerella is a guy. And decorating's not my thing. Although I've done it all here. Every inch of it.